First of all, I want to thank you for joining me today. This is a very short video on timesheets. We're going to produce timesheets faster. It's going to be more accurate. You're going to have easier submissions using this system. You're going to avoid any delays in processing, and your hours are going to be very transparent. I'm going to show you how to do this right now. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to fill out the information right there. You want to put your email, your name, and your phone number so we know what to do. Okay, so once we have that information that you submitted, then it's very easy. We're simply going to be sending you an email or a share on Google Sheets, which is going to be your timesheet, and it's going to look like this. Check this out. Okay, there you go. You've got your timesheet right in front of you. Let's get started. So here you can see you've got your date. It populates with the correct time and month and day, and all you do is you put your timesheet, or in your timesheet, all you do is you put your time that you start and the time that you end for that day, and it calculates automatically for you at the bottom. And then you have an area where you simply sign, and your parent signature is also required on that, and they too will be getting a share on that URL. So as far as having to get them to do it, it's already going to be done instantaneously. And once you do that, you're done. You don't even have to submit. You don't even have to push a button. You literally are done. It's real time. Our administrative people in accounting will see it, and it will be real time, so there's nothing you have to do. Just simply fill in the times, and that's it. So I'm glad you joined me today. Fill out that email, fill out the phone number, fill out the name, make sure you hit submit on this email, and let's get started with your digital timesheets.